Wasserinsel is a wonderful place with welcoming residents and innovative technology.
This island will be the future of Hawaii and a great start of keeping the world clean.
We will have fire departments, police stations, and most importantly, energy and access to clean water.
Wasserinsel is an island year 2021. Residents can take jobs as farmers, police, doctors, store owners, and much more. Residents can also spend their free time at Wasserinsel's water park, movie theaters, and beaches.
All the waste will not be thrown away, but instead recycled into anything it can be used for.
Products will also not be exploited and further endangering the ecosystem.
We can trade with many different countries that have good products when we need them.
Many people come to our island because of its beautiful location, safety, and clean resources.
People will also want to come here for new job opportunities and better ways to make money.
The oceans around Wasserinsel will be cleared due to our recycling program. We take trash out of the ocean and use it for reusable materials.
The city is fully equipped with futuristic tools and transportation that allows us to fly safer.
Paper will no longer be made from trees, but from other renewable sources.
Waste and garbage will always be a problem, and our city is how we deal with it.
Waste can be used for fertilizer when growing the fruits and vegetables.
We're going to wash and clean it before we eat or sell it.
Garbage will either be discarded or automized to nothingness. Garbage is just like everything else. We cannot get rid of it entirely, but we will shrink it so we will not have to worry about too much trash everywhere. Garbage can be flammable and could be very well be at the end of the island if we burn it and get it out of control. Shredding is more safer and less destructive and a way better way of getting rid of garbage.
As long as the bits of trash are not exposed into the world.
Trash is also to be sorted in case of things that should not be in the trash.
After the sorting, the trash will be sent to be crushed, shredded, and reused.
The garbage will be removed to be cleaned and sorted into different types of trash that can be reused. Lastly, the material will be reassembled into products, other needed things,
such as clothes, bags, paper, and an assortment of other things.
The trash that cannot be used will be collected, sent to a factory, and destroyed.
In case of danger, our factories will be completely shut down. The vents will be closed so no trash can leave. The machine will be scheduled weekly, maintained, and the factory will be cleaned thoroughly throughout the week. If all else fails, the trash goes into the water. Trash boats will have special nets to clean the ocean.
Just because our island is clean doesn't mean that everywhere else is too.
Special boats will come and clean up any trash in the ocean within a 500-mile radius. Donations to the island will improve the way we collect trash and the machines we use.
Any extra money can be used to make new inventions to clean air pollution and any other form of pollution that can be a serious threat.
Machinery can and will be help with machines that clean up trash and the vehicles that take us places. Electric is most important to power all the machines and devices.
Electrical engineers have to light up the city and monitor electric usage.
Chemical engineers can create harder metals and materials for us to be. Mostly they can help with medicine.
Engineers that specialize in agriculture are really important to boost the growth and health of the crops that we eat and sell.
Agriculture engineering is also really important to help maintain the farms and foods.
Agriculture engineers create devices that protect crops and plants from pesticides and bugs.
Civil engineers are insanely important, maintaining monorail and improving roads.
The cars will be self-driving and we would use barriers along the roads to make the cars would not run off the road.
These barriers would also be invisible electromagnetic fields and be able to slow cars down the correct way, preventing further accidents. These special barriers are small electromagnetic fields shaped like walls. We have a special team of engineer specialists that have advanced electromagnetic field knowledge. The team has invented a type of EMF that is at a such low level that it does not cause cancer and other illnesses, but still works incredibly well against cars.
Residents will go to work and live in a safer place with self-driving cars able to slow down and not go over the speed limits.
Crime will be reduced to little to none with advanced technology that can identify where anyone can be at any point in time.
Citizens will never be overworked of abuse by anyone or pay less that they have worked for due to our technology that monitors and supervises everything in the workplace.
Any emergency that happens big enough to take down the entire island, everyone will evacuate with certified boats, planes, and any form of escape.
We will have state-of-the-art technology that allows us to predict days ahead of disaster or the weather. Our trades will be about energy and food that is only grown on the island and not genetically made.
On this island, we will resort to technology but rely on nature as our source of income.